what happened last time on BoundSMP. Last we saw Rune, he was waking up, curled up in bed, all folded together. Seemed to have been sleeping for quite some time, it seemed. When he looked at his communicator and saw several missed messages from Sylph from over a couple of days. And that was in fact not okay, because Sylph appeared in his house to check in on him, and the two of them had a little bit of a scuffle, a little bit of a chat about things that weren't as great, and came to an understanding of not having any more secrets or lies between them. And Rune cried about having no arm and about the breakup and everything that happened, and Sylph got to talk about the prank war that is starting between them and Gav, and it was generally good. It was generally alright. He got to make ice cream, which has been really good. That was a wonderful, wonderful thing to have. Man's got the rest they definitely need. Maybe a bit much rest, but definitely rest. And did in fact get a little sleepy time. So I think with that we can get in the lore, yeah? We get in the lore? Invented ice cream about it like you do. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, where are my glasses? Oh, there. There, on my face. I slept with them on. Oh, that's unfortunate. That's... Hi, bud. Hi. Well... No, okay, we're still looking rough. Still... Hi. Hi. Hi, everyone. Morning, Gizmo. I should probably give you a treat or something. You've been doing so many bits. Do I have... Where's your treats? Gizmo, where are your treats? There they are. Hi, Sparks. Hi, I hope you're doing alright, all of you. I haven't been doing much myself. But I'm here. I'm here doing things as I do. Was ice cream good? It is. Oh, it is. I should have more. I should absolutely have more ice cream. I need so much more of this. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to unsit you. Oh, wonderful. I gotta take the bowls upstairs, because Ava's gonna have just a cow with me if I don't. I want coffee, to be honest. That's what I'm leaning towards, is coffee. But... Jade? Hi. Hi. What are you doing here? Please watch over her. The sanctuary was bad for her. Please keep her safe. The sanctuary? When were you in the sanctuary? Oh. Here, come out of there. Oh. No, come out of the... Oh, it's Silk Touch. Ah, okay, let me go get another one. I'm coming back. What was she doing? Does that mean Ras left? Or, there you are. Hi. Hi, girl. You alright? You doing okay? Where are you going? Please watch over her. I think she's missing Vast. I would think so too. Where'd you go? What are you doing up there? J-Love, what are you doing? Oh, hi! Oh. Are all the magpies here? Hi! Hello! Hi, Jasper! Hi! Great to see you! What are you doing here? What are you... Get down! Get down! No, come here. Come. What are you doing? What is this? What is this fascination with the stairs? With the ladders? Oh, okay, I don't think you're supposed to be here. Okay, alright. Well, I'm gonna break the ladder and you're not gonna have it. You feel so gently. Hi. You can't, I don't want to hit you. You can't go into the movie theater. That's not for birds. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hello, you. What are you doing here? Come here. Come here. Come here. Just stop squawking. Stop it. You're fine. You're fine. You're alright. Get down. Jade. Come, now don't you do it as well. He's loud. Maybe I've forgotten how loud he can be. Hey, well. What is this? What are you doing here? I don't think that's in the note anywhere. Please watch over her. The bird sanctuary is bad for her. Please keep her safe. I feel like you're a bit of an intruder. You just stopping by, steal more strings. Oh, are you offended by that? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Like, oh. Okay. All right. Well, I guess we should probably make you a little sport. Not you. I'm probably gonna take you back. Yes. You should go home. Okay. Hi. Oh no, not down there. Not down there. Not down there. Gosh, I don't really have. I guess we need to make you your own nest, huh? Because it sounds mad. I don't think that's fine. Yeah, let's try in here, yeah? You can go in there? Maybe? No? But do you not like it? Jay, please. There you go. There you go. You hang out in there. I guess I should. Do you want to be grabbed too, Jasper? Do I need to bring you up as well? I'm taking that as a yes, because you're a bird and I can't speak to you. Okay. Don't define me. Go in there. Go on now. Gosh darn it. Oh. This is going so well. Don't look at me like that, both of you. You're a handful. Okay, you go sit over here. And you, little criminal, also sitting there. There. Yes, there. You can, well, I guess this is as nice a spot as any for you, Jade. I could maybe set up, probably a nest. Probably a little nest for you. Would that be alright? Maybe a little birdhouse. It's not, there's not a lot going on in here. I don't have any tools. Okay, let me grab that. Okay, alright. I'll leave the door. When I put you both in here, I'm just gonna let you do what you're gonna do. Bird-proof the house. Well, as long as I keep the downstairs shop closed, it should be alright. That'll be fine. Just no workshopping for them. Here, we got some comfy things. Oh, she likes the green. Do I have any emerald? I actually don't. You can have this one off the label. I guess Gizmo. Jasper, I opened the door. Jasper's not evolved that far. It's alright. We don't have to worry about sparks. Not yet, anyway. Don't. Okay, Gizmo. We're gonna head upstairs, and you're gonna be very nice to our guests. Very gentle you are. Come on, boy. Oh, how'd you get outside? I don't know. There you go. All right. Still in here. Wonderful. Okay, let's see. Yes. Oh. You're awfully talkative today. Hi. Hi. I hope you're feeling a little bit better. Your wings look a little bit roughed up. You've been plucking them. Yeah, let's work on a nest. We can do that. No bird invasions. I think that's exactly what's happened here. I think a bird invasion has occurred. Yeah, okay, let's start with no more candles. Get those out of here. Nest. Make you all comfy. You're both sitting on the crafting table right when I need to do the crafting. Okay, maybe it's a way to check in on you. No, that's awfully nice of them. You know what? Yeah, we'll make it, let's see if I have something green dye. Make you a greenhouse. Hi, Gizmo. I guess it's certainly something. Oh, I need the coffee. That was definitely gonna get coffee. That was. Do you? Oh, that's so many opinions about me having coffee. You don't even know what coffee is. You can't even be upset about it. Okay. Oh. I feel like you're really talkative today, Jasper. I don't think I've ever really heard you say this much all in one go, and I'm not sure what to do about it. Let me make a little yellow house. Okay. Grab this. I'll grab coffee. And we can make it all nice up there for you. That's not coffee. That's not coffee. Please, where? Help. Yes. Wonderful. Alright. Still in here? Okay. In the corner. Oh, now I'm fast. Oh, this is wonderful. Perfect. Exactly what I needed. Oh. Yes, I do. Coffee's bad. Did they really? You sparks understand them, do you? Oh, darn it. Tool. None. I want to use it. Let me use it. Don't tell me what to do. Okay. Let's make a little house. Give me some little yellow. And that's nice. That's a nice little house. Yeah, like that. You like that one? Sorry, it's not green. And the cactus is outside. It's a little ways away, but I think it's still nice. Do some carpet and things. I guess maybe we should just fully nest this area for you. Oh, my pockets are full of so much. When did you lay an egg? Why did... No, stop that. When did that happen? Don't shit at me. Don't... Stop this. Okay, it will do like this. You know, I've gotten maybe a bit alright at making little nests. I can make a big comfy one. We can have up here, safe, away from the concerns of the workshop. Very talkative today. You are extremely talkative today. You've got many things to say, I'm noticing. Oh, good heavens. Oh, good heavens. This is Fast has to deal with on a daily basis, probably, but Fast knows what they say at least, so maybe that helps. Yeah, I'll just let this be a whole little. There you go. A little. Okay, do you approve? Do you like it? I'll even open up this closet a bit so we can get. Oh, you like the armor stands? Yeah. I'm glad you're having a nice one. Excuse me, I see you found this corner. I'm going to put things in it. You're gonna have to deal with that. Excuse me, little lady. Alright. Let's do that. And I think that's nice. What do you think? I'll put another there. Do you approve? What are you doing in the boot, silly? More ice cream for Rune. There's probably something other than ice cream. I only have one jade, one emerald. But if I can get more, I'll bring more for you. For now, I've got the one, and we can put it maybe up here. There you are. I'll do some trading for you. And make it all shiny in here. Bet that'd be nice. Putting the boot will really do. Apparently cause mayhem and mischief. I'm glad you agree. Alright. I think that's nice. You come here. Come here, pretty lady. You, if I can use my, please. Oh, you're in this, there you are. Alright, come here. I didn't get a chance to try this out, so I'm not very good, probably. But I read a few books on feathers and upkeep. It was to It was for Vast originally, so you'll be a smaller test. Let's see if I can put some of these back in rights. Yeah. You've probably been pretty stressed. Seems like you've been pulling at them. I know how you feel. You shouldn't pluck at them. They're very pretty feathers. You're a very lovely bird. You're a lovely little lady. You're very well cared for. You're loved a lot. She wouldn't have brought you here if she didn't, so... Yeah, just move that one into place. And scoot that one over. Oh, that one was ready to come out. Alright. Does that feel better? I think you're alright. You're able to take care of your own feathers. You have rye in them. And that should help you out. All your little bits. We all can't be looking like I am, okay? But some of us have to be looking all nice and prim and proper. Alright, we've got a house, we've got a nest. I think we've got a good amount of nests. Hopefully that should take away the amount of the sheer volume of eggs that are being spit about. You know what? Maybe we should meet Gizmo. That probably should happen. Gizmo. Gizmo love, come here. Am I gonna be able to get you to come up these stairs? Are you gonna be able to come up? Are you gonna be able to do it? I know they're hard. Come on. No? Alright, I'll get to lead. You're confused by stairs. They're like flowers. Well, that's good. I've got plenty. Let's see if we've got any sort of lead around here. That'd be nice. Ooh. I think these are the emeralds I intended to also give to Vass. I can in turn use them for jade. Ooh. Okay, that's nice. Lead. Have communicate with the birds. Oh, that's delightful of you. This. Boop. Alright. Come on, Gizmo. Let's see if we can make nice with the little birds. You're pretty gentle. I think, at least. Alright, come up these stairs. Ooh, can you do it? Can you do it? You can do it. Up. Come on. There you are. Come on now. There you are. That's a good boy. Alright, Jade, Jasper, Gizmo, Jade, and Jasper. Jasper's laying an egg. That's neither here nor there, because Jasper's not staying. But Jade's staying with us for a little bit. And I'll probably appoint you to keep watch on her up here. You can stay up here and make sure she's alright when I'm down there. Yeah, I found that. That's a good shiny. I've also got a bunch of little ones, so if we need more, I've got it's taken care of. But that's a good one right there. And they said you liked flowers, so we'll do boop and well, I mostly have dandelions, so I hope you're alright with that. You approve? Is that approval? Nice, good to know. Alright, scoot you up. You get a nice vantage point in the middle of the room. There you are. Nothing. I think I should probably get this one home. Back to Vast. Yes. Were you her escort? Bringing her on over? I don't think you were. I think you got in here somehow. I need to check my windows. But you get a little bit comfortable. Take some time. Get to know Gizmo. He's real kind. And you are coming with me. And we're gonna get you on home. No, don't be sissy. Come on now. I'll be back, Jade. Come on now. I'm gonna walk you on over in my little hands. Cause frankly, I don't trust you to just fly. Come on now. Boop. There we are. Jasper says no, too bad. Jasper's going. Come on. I can just can just drop them off. Back at the, yeah, I can just drop them off. It'll be good. I haven't really talked to Fast or anything, but I have to get you home, so I'll do that. But a quick trip, we can just drop you off and probably don't even have to say anything. I'm still in my pajamas. Oh, I didn't put any clothes on. Well, Rune and Ventura, you're doing great. You're doing wonderful. Alright. Is this a bird bath? Alright. I'm not gonna question it. I think that's probably fine. That's got nothing to do with me. Okay. It's Mosey. He's there to check on you for Vast. Oh. Doing reconnaissance. Mm-hmm. Alright. Let's do this. You know, you're nice to hold, as little as you are. I probably can't paraglide with this, so I need to walk down. There you go. Actually, never mind. Alright. Let's just drop you off and it'll be fine. Just leave you near the door. And you can, you know, mosey on over. What do you have? Oh, you have a stick. That's so nice. That's my word about him. I think so too. Thank you so much for all your help. No, don't follow it. No. What is that? Is that a lizard? What? Was that a lizard? Oh! Alright, I don't know what that is. I don't. Did y'all see that? Is that? What? Is that a lizard? Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna... I don't want you to go anywhere. Should I put you in a cage? Put you in a box? Is that fine? No, don't. Oh. Hi. Sorry. I think this one, wounded out.
No worries. It's
there you are.
Sorry. Yeah,
Just bringing him back home.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I must have lost track of him.
No.
You look
shitty. You don't have to sugarcoat it.
No, you never could look. I'm sorry. I probably shouldn't.
Jade's safe. She has a nest and everything. A print of feathers. So she should be alright.
Thank you. She wasn't doing good, and I figured it maybe wasn't the best for her to stay around me anymore. I'm sorry. About your... The chronometer.
It happens.
No, it doesn't.
Nothing
Happen, it doesn't.
nothing I can't fix.
I got things to help fix it. If you need them. You probably don't. But they're there if you need them.
There, where?
In your mailbox. Where I always leave things. Sorry, they're a little excited to see you. There are a lot of them right now.
I
Sorry.
see your gold nugget. It's very nice. It's a good shiny. Oh, that's all you wanted. You wanted me to... Okay, you have a piece of paper. I like your piece of paper. What does it say? How did you take a library card? You can't even read. Oh, and you have a whole gold... You have a whole gold ingot. I'd spend it all in one place. Yep. Thank you for... I haven't even left my house in a bit, so I haven't checked it. But I'll look.
Yeah.
I should get back to make sure Jade's alright.
If you want to, I mean, we could talk if you wanted to.
I don't think I'm ready just yet. I'm sorry. Not yet for me. But
No,
I'll take care of her, and yeah, and you take care of you.
Yeah, take care of yourself, Rune.
You too fast. You too. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. We've got to get home. We've got to get home. It's a long walk. It's a long walk on home. We've got to check on Jade and get home. They looked really bad. They looked really rough. I guess I probably didn't look much better. I don't know, it's in the mailbox. Guess it's good to check. Okay, yeah. That was everything I thought it would be. Alright. Let me... Gosh, just so many things. Yeah. Brain coral. She went and killed the warden. Prismarine crystals. Prismarine shard, what is that? never seen. Never seen people with prior islands. It's her research on the books about the obelisks and things. Alright, alright. Okay, alright. I don't even quite know how to feel about it. I don't even know how to feel. I'm just gonna put them away for now. Just gonna put them away for now. And that's and we're gonna go check on Jade. Because that's what I've got. That's what I've got. Are they hurt from the warden? I don't know. They didn't look hurt, but they didn't look great. I'm supposed to be upset with them, or unhappy, or hurt. But I'm worried. I'm worried. Hi, Gizmo. Hi, Jade. I don't even know what I'm supposed to feel. What am I supposed to do? We should probably talk. I'm not ready for that yet, though. I don't know when I will be ready. When I'm supposed to be ready. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, hi. Yeah, come out of the corner. No, it's alright, it's alright. Yeah, I have an idea. I know she's worried about you. Emotions are yours alone. They're gonna wait for however long it takes to be able to talk. Good. Maybe I'm a little bit selfish, I would hope. I hope she would wait. She doesn't have to, but it'd be nice. It's a lot of new. This is all very new. I can't walk up to talk to them right now. But I'm taking care of the bird, and I will. And maybe I know she loved you a lot. She cares about you a lot. You're not. She does. So maybe I can. Are you gonna pose for me? You gonna perch somewhere? Not in the corner. Not in the corner. I wanna perch. I'm gonna get comfy. I'll take it. Alright. Maybe I can get a little photo of you. Maybe one day I'll be able to give it to them. A bunch of photos. Not today.